total they raised $386.06. Fifth grade came in second place with a grand total of $312.18. Third grade came in third place with a total of $276.36. Second grade, $249.74. Kindergarten pre-K, $199.77. Fourth grade, $198.05.
May I have your attention, please? All right. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Of course, the moment that we've all been waiting for, the moment that we have worked hard and diligently for. Come on. But first of all, let's give all the grades a round of applause for doing a fantastic job. And at this time, let's give every stepping group a big 2, 2, 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, just a few interesting facts. A few interesting facts before we present this check. Okay, we have with us on this afternoon a representative from the American Cancer Society, and at this time we would like to present this check in the name of A.W. Watson Elementary School to that Society for Cancer Research. But just to give you 1 or 2 facts about cancer, about breast cancer. Now, you are at this time, boys and girls, faculty, staff, joining the fight against breast cancer. There are some predictions in the year of 2011. Some predictions, and of course, those predictions are in reference to new cases for this dreadful disease. The estimated new cases of cancer, breast cancer, are overwhelming. These new cases this year are approximately 230,480. And of course, those are the cases that are actually in women. 200,480, just over that. These are predicted cases. Of course, these are undiagnosed cases. It is important for us to know also that in men we have just over 2,140 predicted new cases for this dreadful disease. Now, faculty, staff, students, we are here to make a difference. But now, here's where we're making some leeway. Of the 230,000 cases, predicted deaths are just over 39,000. So we're making leeway, and this donation that we're presenting will definitely go toward more cancer research in the fight against this disease. Of course, these deaths will be in females. Of course, just over 450 deaths are predicted this year in male. Now, let's join the fight. Are you ready to join the fight? So come on. Are you ready to join the fight? We have with us Miss Kathy Prosperi. Can you say hello to her? And at this time, we do have a check. Of course, this is not the check, okay? But this is a replica of the check that we're actually going to present to Miss Kathy. And as you can see, this check is paid to the order of American Cancer Society for a total of $1,618. How about that, you all? In the name of A.W. Watson Elementary, so at this time we present Miss Kathy Prosperi this check for $1,618. Come on, I think that's worth it. 2, 3, 1. Come on, let's go 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, at this time, Miss Kathy is going to come in her way. Now, let's listen.
Thank y'all so much. I want to tell you a little bit about the American Cancer Society. The American Cancer Society was formed in 1913, and in 1946, the research program got started. We have currently funded 46 researchers that went on to be awarded the Nobel Prize for Research. So somewhere during their career, we funded that research that went on to help them win their award. This money will go towards finding cures. Also, it will help patients get well, stay well, find a cure, and for all of us to fight that in special ways. And an example of a special way is today. Or also participating in our national fundraiser, Relay for Life. So I want to tell you I am so honored to be here to accept this check. And I'm so proud of y'all. And thank you so much.